Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube live classes. So, are you able to hear everyone? Are you getting? Yeah. Sai Kiran. Hi, Sai Kiran. Yeah. Sai Kiran. Hi, Sai Kiran. Very good evening. How are you? So, are you everyone? Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. So, welcome to Unacademy Plus classes, YouTube live classes. Fine. Huh? Very good. So, for subscription, see you have these features. So try to join in subscription, and for getting more details you can click the below description, you will get all details. Okay, so you can, for joining you can use my code Kiran Live. So in last class what we have discussed, we had discussed about electrostatics. What? Electrostatic force, Coulomb's law, and the equilibrium points. In that equilibrium I have given you one problem. I have given you one problem. So anyone solve that problem? Did anyone get? See, that problem is what? Four identical charges. Four identical charges are placed at four corners of a square. Four corners of a square. Identical charges Q, 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 and Q. So find the charge to be placed at the center. Find what? Charge to be placed at the center. That is capital Q letter. Placed at the center of the square, so that the system of charges in equilibrium. You see, the system of charges. System of charges in equilibrium. See, four identical charges are placed at four corners of a square. And see, some fifth charge is what? Another charge, not identical. Some another charge is placed. We don't know that. What it is, identical or not, is placed at the center of the square, so that what? Total system is in equilibrium. See, total system is in equilibrium means what? Net force we can take 0. Total net force is what? 0 at any point. That means it is said to be balanced. Okay. So according to that we have to find. So how can we find now? See here. So for that, see, net force is 0 at any corner, right? So you can take at any one corner, consider at any one corner. For example, if you are taking at C, first of all, see, uh, square means what? Each side. Let the each side is A. Each side. Okay. Now see, force between A and B, B and C, as we have discussed in force, BC, CD, and AD. It is what? Equal to F. What is that? K into Q square by A square. And between C diagonals AC and BD, FAC, FBD. See, FAC, FBD. And diagonals what it is? We have K into Q square by, what is the distance? This, see, diagonal distance is what? Root 2A, right? So root 2a whole square. That means 2a square. Means which is equal to F by 2. Now one more force also acts. See, due to this charge also your force will act. Actually, see, there is no effect of force whenever another charge is placed in the middle of the line joining of charges. See, in this middle, in the line joining of the charges, we are placing one more charge now. But there is no effect. We can take directly between these two one force and these two one force. We can take. There will be no change. So first of all, see, due to this charge, what is the force here in this direction, right? FBC. And due to this, in this direction, FCD. See, these two are what? Perpendicular na? So its resultant is what? This is the resultant. FR. This FR will be what? Both are what? Equal magnitude F and perpendicular to each other. So perpendicular to each other means it will be what? Root of 2 into F. As we know in parallelogram law of vectors. Right? Root of P square plus Q square when they are perpendicular to each other. Okay now. Perpendicular to each other means root of P square plus Q square. That is root of F square plus F square root 2F. And one more force. See, another force is what? See, due to this AC, here one more force will act. FAC. And another force also, see, due to this charge, let it be O. And due to this also, FOC. FOC. Right? Let here this is positive charge. See, you can consider any positive or negative, no problem. Finally, you will get the answer. So, due to this Q at A, FAC, and due to at O, FOC. So, total how many forces here? Net force is FBC bar plus FCD bar plus FAC bar plus FOC bar. Actually, these two resultant is what? See, FR bar plus FAC bar plus FOC bar. See, all are in same line. Same line means what is the net magnitude? Directly we can take FR plus FAC plus FOC. This net force is what? 0 because it is in equilibrium. Na? So, FR plus FAC plus FOC equal to 0 we can take. Hi Shivani. Hi, good evening. Hi Shivani. It is 0. Now see, what is FR? Root 2F. And what is FACC? F by 2. And what about FOC here? What is FOC? FOC, see. What about this distance? This total AC is root 2A and OC will be what? Root 2A by 2. That is A by root 2. So it will be K into Q by distance square. That is A by root 2 whole square. It will be what? Root 2 whole square is 2. 2 will come up. Okay now. So 2 into K into Q by A square. Right? Now you can substitute FR root 2F na. Yes, see. FR is root 2F. What is root 2F? F means K into Q square by A square. Plus FAC is what? F by 2. That is K into Q square by 2A square. Plus, see FOC. 2K into QQ by A square. It is equal to 0. Net force is what? 0. So, K by A square is common and Q is common. Right? Okay? Common తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. See, k will gets cancelled. A by a square also cancel. See, k by a square take common. Root 2. See, first of all, okay. See, k by a square common means what is here? Root 2 into q square. See, q also 1q common. So, root 2 into q plus here 1q by 2. Right? Kq by a square common na plus. See, kq by a square. Remaining is 2 into capital Q. It is equal to 0. Good evening, Shivani. So it will come this side becomes 0. So what is the remaining here? What is remaining? See, what is remaining? Root 2q plus q by 2 plus 2q equal to 0. Right? It will come this side. Na? Then, see here root 2 plus 1 by 2 into q. It is equal to minus 2q. So q equal to, see, 2 will come this side, minus q by 2 into root 2 plus 1 by 2, or minus q by 4 into 2 root 2 plus 2. Then, sorry, 2 root 2 plus 2. So like this we will get the answer. This is the charge. See, we got negative charge. That means here when we play all are positive now, when we place negative at the center, you will get the net force become 0. And that value is what? That value is here. What is the value? Sorry, here 1 na? Minus q by 4 into 2 root 2 plus. So this is the charge. This charge we should be placed. Then the net force become what? 0. Understood? Is it clear now, everyone? Boys? So I'm still who are watching, just you can message here once. Yeah. See. Same like another problem. See, now we'll see triangle problem. Triangle. See here, 3 charges, each are what? Q placed at vertices of an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now it is equilateral triangle. You can draw lengthy. See. Citizen. See, it is an equilateral triangle. So, in this equilateral triangle, 3 charges. 3 identical charges Q, Q, Q are placed. Okay, now 3 identical. So, how much charge should be placed at the centroid? Centroid means center. So that the system remains in equilibrium. So, how much charge we should place it at the center to get the system in equilibrium? So, if system equilibrium ravalante how much charge we should place here? So, how much charge we should place at the center? Same you can consider. Okay, now. So you can consider same. Let here the charge is Q. Let the charge is here Q, capital Q. You can consider same. You can take the net force. See, total it is in equilibrium means net force will be what? 0. Balances. So find that. So how can we find? See, at any point you can take now. Suppose if you consider here, see, let here A, B, C. See, due to this along this direction, and due to this along this direction. Okay, or what they are asking here? Yeah. So here the net force. See, due to this also the direction will be here away. Now take the total force and equate. You will get the net force value. So can you tell the answer? Anyone? Is anyone there? Same like square only. Just here angle will be changed. Okay now, angle will be changed here. This is 60 degrees now. So this angle you should find. Okay. So this is 120. So this is FBC and this is FAC. And let here O. This is FOC. So you can take FBC bar plus FAC bar plus FOC bar. Net will be what? 0. So you can find the magnitude and equate with 0. You will get the answer. So how can you get? How can we get the answer? Here. Tell me. Is anyone there? Can you find this answer? Can you find? See, from centroid to this, what is the distance? R by root 3. Let it is R. So it will be, the distance is what? R by root 3. So K into QQ by R by root 3 whole square. And see, these two resultant will be what? Root 3F. These two resultant is root 3F. So root 3F means, how can we get? See, this angle is also what? 60 degrees, na? See, these magnitudes are equal. So, equal magnitudes, angle 60. So, this is what? F resultant plus FOC. So, what is resultant? K into Q square by A square. లేదా R square. What is this? Root 3 into F we will get. How can we get? See, root of F square plus 2F square cos 60. Angle is what? Cos 60. 1 by 2. So, root 3F వస్తుంది. So, root 3 into F will be what? See here, how many forces are acting? Due to this charge in this direction. And due to this, in this, FAC, FBC. Its resultant is what? FR. That FR plus again due to this FOC, same direction. So, take the magnitude FR plus FOC equal to 0. That is, see, root 3 K into Q square by R square equal R square plus, what is FOC? See, what is FOC? K into Q by R by root 3 whole square అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 వస్తుంది. 3 into వస్తుంది. 3K QQ by R square equal to 0. So take common KQ by R common. All will get cancel. Finally you will get what? Q equal to minus Q by root 3. So you should place minus Q by root 3 at the center. See, negative charge. Then you will get the net force 0. System is in equilibrium. Is it clear everyone who are watching here? Can you understand? Got it now? అర్థమైందా? Yeah. 4. What, Sai Kiran? 4 ఏంటి? Got it now? So next we will start electric fields. Up to now we have discussed electric charge na. Now electric field. Sai Kiran, what is that? 490? See electric field. See generally when you place a charge at any point, what happens? Its force of attraction or repulsion will be up to some region, right? So that region is called electric field. The region is what? Electric field. Means up to that its force of attraction or repulsion will act if another charge is placed. If another charge is placed, na, its influence can be act. So in this electric field, see when we place the charge, na, its influence can act. But how can we represent this electric field, or how can we define? So electric field defined as what? The space or region surrounded by a charge up to which its influence can be act. Up to how much distance its influence means up to how much distance it can attract or repel another charge. Okay, that region is called electric field. Banu Prakash, hi, hi, hi. Where from? Banu Prakash. Yeah. See, so this electric field we can represent by imaginary lines. They are called what? Electric lines of force. That imaginary lines are called what? Electric lines of force. Okay, we can represent a electric field with what? Imaginary lines. Those imaginary lines are called here electric lines of force or electric field lines. Electric field lines. Okay. See, these electric field lines never intersect, because if they intersect na, at the point of intersection they have two directions, but which is impossible. Only they have one direction, because see always electric lines from positive charge na, they are away from the positive charge, and negative charge na, electric lines are what? Towards. And if you draw a tangent on this curve line, it represents the direction of the electric field. So based on this, see if the charge is positive na, what is the electric field? It is away from the charge. Away from the charge. And at the same time, what is the force direction? Force is always away from the charge only. Away always. And if you take negative charge na, field is what? Towards. But force is what? Always away. See, positive charge means force is parallel to field. But negative charge means what? Force is anti-parallel to field. Okay, no? Force is here anti-parallel. Anti-parallel to electric field here. Are you there? Okay, right. And what about the electric field equation here? See, electric field means the space surrounded by the charge up to its influence can be at. And here electric field strength or intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field or electric field strength. What is that? Electric field strength. That means see when we place a charge in electric field na, its influence can act, right? So influence means what? Electric force can be, suppose if you place a charge Q0, On this what? Due to this charge, electric force can be acted. Electric force can be acted. So that electric force acting per unit charge is called what? Intensity of electric field, F bar by Q naught, or magnitude E equal to F by Q naught. The force acting per unit charge in a electric field. Force acting per unit charge. Okay, now force acting per unit charge is called electric field, or intensity of electric field, or electric field strength equal to F by Q naught, or F by Q. So F equal to, we can write what? Q into E, or Q naught into E. So what about the equation here? See, let us consider a charge Q at a point O. Its influence can be what? Act up to some region. So in this region, let us consider a point P. At this point B, we have to Mahi, Google Mahi, hi. Hi Mahi. So at that point, what? Class, అని. Hi Bharat Kumar. అర్థమే అవలే సాయి కిరణ్. కాంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఏమన్నా క్లాస్ అని అయిపోతుందా? ఆహా, ఓకే ఓకే, ఎన్ని గంటలకు అయిపోతుందా? సారీ సారీ, ఇప్పుడే 4:30కే. ఓకే ఓకే. 4 to 4:30 అంతే యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్. మనకి నార్మల్ క్లాస్ ఈవినింగ్, స్పెషల్ క్లాస్ 6 to 7. సాయి సాయి కిరణ్, అర్థమైంది. 4:30కి అయిపోతుంది. యు ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏజేసీ గ్రూపా సాయి కిరణ్? యు ఆర్ న్యూ మెంబర్. ఆర్ యూ కమింగ్ నా డైలీ టు అవర్ స్పెషల్ క్లాస్? వస్తున్నావా? ఓకే. See, just my YouTube class half an hour, but our another class is what? Special class. No, no. Okay, okay. You can join in our special class daily evening 6 to 7 in website. Download Unacademy Learn app. You know that method, and select AP EAMCET and TS EAMCET. You can see my name. You will get the notifications if you follow. So join and use the code for joining the class. For first class, you have to use the code Kiran MSC08 -5140. ఈ కోడ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్కి వచ్చేటప్పుడు. కోడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తే క్లాస్కి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. నేను పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను లింక్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తే జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు క్లాస్కి. ఈ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో పోస్ట్ చేస్తా. సో టైం అయిపోయింది అప్పుడే. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ వాట్? ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అట్ దిస్ పాయింట్ పి డ్యూ టు ద చార్జ్. ఓకే, క్లాస్ అయిపోయాక నేను పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? క్లాస్ అయిపోయాక లింక్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో ఆ లింక్ని బట్టి అన్అకాడమీ లెర్న్ యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యి టీఎస్ ఎంసెట్, ఏపీ ఎంసెట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని క్లాస్కి డైలీ 6 to 7 ఈ కోడ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, క్లాస్ ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం కోడ్ అడుగుతుంది. కిరణ్ ఎంఎస్సి 08-5140 ఈ కోడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎంటర్, తర్వాత నుంచి ఏమవసరం లేదు. అండ్ ఫాలో కొడితే యాప్లో మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్ ఏంటంటే ఆల్టర్నేట్ ఉంటాయి అందుకే. సో యూట్యూబ్ క్లాస్లో కంప్లీట్గా కవర్ చేయలేము. సో అక్కడ క్లాస్లో అయితే కవర్ అయిపోతుంది మొత్తం. ఓకేనా? రైట్. So about this, we have to find what? Electric field at the point P. So at a distance r from the charge q. How can we find? See, let us consider a point charge q naught at this P. Now see, force will be acting in between two charges. What about that force? F equal to k into q naught by r square. Now at this point P, the electric field due to this charge on the q naught. See, on this q naught, this force will act. So that electric field equal to what? F by q naught. So k q naught by r square by q naught. So q naught cancel. E equal to what? K into q by r square. And 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square equal to. This is the electric field due to a point charge. ఫాలో ఎక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేసావా యాప్? ఓపెన్ చేసావా? సో లింక్ పంపిస్తాను, నా నేమ్ సెండ్ చేసి నేమ్ సెర్చ్ చేయి పనిహారం కిరణ్ అని. అది ఓపెన్ అయిన తర్వాత ప్రొఫైల్ దగ్గర ఫాలో కొట్టాలి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ డ్యూ టు పాయింట్ చార్జ్. అబౌట్ దిస్ ఫర్దర్ విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. ఓకేనా? సో బై ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. We'll meet in next class. ఓపెన్ చేసావా? ఓకే. అంటే క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడే రాదు, నేను లింక్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తా. ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ ఎండ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసి ట్రై చేయి. ఓకేనా? రైట్. బాయ్.